This is my favorite. Our little things like this. Hello everyone, good morning. Well, time check right now, it is already 9:25 in the morning. I just woke up and I think I overslept. I really did. I slept last night at 12 midnight and I woke up at 6 because Scarlett woke me up. She said she's gonna go already to school and give me a kiss. And then I went back to sleep and now I overslept. So I'm having a headache. It's actually not good that you woke up already and you go back to sleep because you will get a headache. Anyway, so I'm gonna be alone here in the province house today, I believe. I'm not sure if Scarlett's gonna come here today because she's going to school. So we're gonna make breakfast. Oh, it's so gloomy today, guys. Oh my goodness. Look, this is the reason why I overslept. Because it's so gloomy. It's so freaking gloomy, and I think it rained hard last night. There's actually a typhoon, as you know what happened with Taiwan and Japan. I think we're experiencing some kind of it as well. That's why we're experiencing heavy rain too. It's so gloomy. The sun's not out. Normally at this hour, the sun should be out already. Anyway, alright, let's go make some breakfast. Bon appetit. This is my breakfast. I have here egg and one bread. I have here milk as well. And you can see this tomatoes that I got last night from a guy that was selling it around here in the countryside. It only cost me 30 pesos. It's not even $1, and that's a lot of tomatoes. Anyway, let's eat. Bon appetit. I'm super hungry already because it's already 9. For the last 2 days, I was in the city. I was with Vingal and we had a really good conversation about life in general. It's so funny because it just made me realize how old we are now, because the topic that we talk is so mature. Like we're talking about the future already. Time flies so fast and I'm already 28. I'm getting old. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast, guys. So I just finished with my breakfast. And right now I'm actually gonna clean the house because it is such a total mess. Let me know in the comment section below, how often do you actually do a general cleaning in your house or do mopping on the floor as well? Because I feel like I've been doing that a lot. Okay, so it's still very... Oh, the sun is a bit out now. That's good. That just makes me happy. So I think aside from cleaning the house, I'm also gonna do my laundry. Hopefully it stays like this all day, because if it's gonna be gloomy the entire day, it's just not gonna give me some motivation to do anything at all. Alright, I just finished sweeping the floor. I'm gonna do the mopping after this. I actually saw this one. I remember I purchased this one, or I ordered this one online through Bro. He's working in SM Seaside, and as you know, he's been my go-to shopper. They still do have the call to deliver shopping, so thanks Bro Larry for accommodating me as usual. So I decided to order throw pillows because my living area is so boring. There's nothing in the couch, and I think if I'm going to put some pop-up colors, it's gonna look great. So I decided to order 4 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Each of these, if you guys want to know, it's 279 pesos. And then aside from that, I also got this one. We have here the pillowcases, and these are the colors that I decided to get. Of course, I have yellow. You guys know that's my favorite color. And then I have these ones as well. It's like leaves kind of design. And the other one is the same, flower-ish. Okay, so right now I'm gonna try to put these ones into these ones so that we could already put this on the couch. Right now we're gonna try to arrange them right here on the sofa, shall we? Okay, so we have this ones, and I have 2 yellows right here. So how do we do this? We put 1 yellow here, 1 yellow here, and we make it like this. Ta-da! Oh, it looks so pretty. In the camera, it doesn't look as good, I would say. That is how it looks, guys. Ta-da! I actually love it. Look at that. It's so nice. It's so great how little things like this can really make the space a bit nicer. I just put the car out because the car is so filthy. It's super duper dirty, and I don't know, it just is not good to drive it because look, there's bird poo everywhere. Look, it's super duper dirty. I know in camera you can really see it that much, but yeah, we have to clean this. So I think this is actually my first time to manually clean the car, because normally I'd bring it to the city and just do a car wash. But the car wash nowadays, it's so freaking expensive. It's like $6. I know it's not a lot for some of you guys, but for Philippine standard, it's a bit pricey. So yeah, I'll just do it myself this time and see how does it go. Look at that, how dirty that is. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, clean you, Ruby. Don't worry, you'll be clean in a few minutes. Let's see. Finally, I was able to finish showering Ruby. I think I did okay. It's not the perfect shine that I would want to achieve, but it's actually a hard work to wash a car, you know. So I do understand as well why it would cost a bit. But yeah, we're done with this. I'm gonna park her over there, and yeah, that's good. At least I wouldn't be too shy to pull over somewhere because the car is too dirty. I just finished mopping the floor and the outside as well in the balcony, so that's good. Right now I'm doing my laundry. I've been really productive this morning and I totally love it. I just finished doing everything that I need to do, household chores, and right now it's already 1 p.m. so I'm about to have my lunch. It's pretty late already, I would say, and I'm actually hungry now. Anyway, I'm gonna be having mama noodles. Oh my gosh, I miss Bangkok and Thai food, so I decided to get this one yesterday in the grocery. I also have here a bit of rice. Ta-da, from this morning. We do this one. I just put that there. We're gonna put hot water. Put that in. I have here my lunch. First, I have leftover hot dog from this morning. I have here the sauce. And then I have here kimchi. And this is the noodles, the mama noodles. I don't know if you guys can see. But I put egg actually, and it looks good. I have here rice, of course. There you go. Bon appetit, guys. Let's eat. Oh, I'm gonna go for these noodles. Oh yeah. I love this kimchi as well because it's a little bit spicy. And some hot dog. Update, I'm still here on my computer. Time check, it's already 4:18 in the afternoon, and I think I've been here since 1, like after lunch. I have been working on something like editing a video, and I don't think I'd be able to upload it because I don't know, the signal has been really bad. I don't know if this is something to do with the weather, but right now, I mean today it's actually very sunny, so I was wishing it would go back to normal. I don't know, it's so slow. I can't even send a short clip. Anyway, I'm getting hungry. I deserve some good snacks, so let's see what we could find in the fridge. I am having cereal. I've actually almost finished it already. This is Cocoa Crunch, and I just put milk as well. This is my favorite. I need to take a break from the computer because my eyes are hurting me, and I think the laundry is already done. We're gonna check them out. Yeah, it's dry. This one's dry, all dry. Some actually are on the floor. Let's see. Let's check the other ones right here. Yeah, these ones, the jeans, still not dry. The dresses are dry, so yeah, that's good. Happy with that. By the way, I do have an update. Well, not much. This is how the mini garden that we will be having pretty soon, this is how it looks now. So Papa just did try to, you know, dig the soil to, I don't know, how do you guys call it, just to prep it for planting. So I just ordered some seedlings, and then in the next few days we should be able to plant here. So I'm quite excited for that.
You try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long.